Now, this is a row of electromagnets arranged deliberately to produce one of these travelling magnetic fields. So when I switch it on, put our copper cylinder over it, and there you see the same effect, as if something was sweeping underneath it. When we put a bit of aluminium on, it does push it along, but not very fast. Let's try a bigger piece. That's better. Bigger still. Better still. You see, the bigger you go and the better it gets. This, of course, we call a linear motor. Now, suppose we increase the current. Would you mind increasing the current, Barry? And we can now hold a sheet of aluminium which is not only trying to be pushed along, but it's also lifting above the surface. It's much more like what you would expect if you threw a piece of wood into a flowing river. It would float and move along. So this then is the beginnings of a magnetic river. But it hasn't got any banks, because if I take my thumb away from here, it'll fall off the side. If I take it too far towards you, it'll fall off the other side. But if only we could stabilize it, then we should have something that looked exactly like a river. Now, how does all this work? Could I have the row of rods, please, Ray? This is a mechanical model of what you've just seen. Instead of a row of coils, we've got a row of rods. We're going to feed them with alternating current so that each one can rise and fall. And when we turn the whole thing, we get the impression of something travelling along. But I want you to notice that nothing actually travels along, because each rod only moves up and down. The thing that makes it real is when we put something into one of the troughs of the wave. Then something real travels along. Can make it go the other way. If you watch an individual rod, such as this one, you'll see that it's only going up and down. There is no horizontal movement at all. Only the ball is a real thing moving side to side. It's exactly the same with this magnetic river. I can switch it on and there is nothing above there, nothing moving horizontally until I put in the aluminium, and it's like putting the ball into the rods. So this is our first step towards a magnetic river.